Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel, and I have my sister with me,
Hello.
Tapping Flamingo, Terry Jeanette. You guys know her. And we have some virtual Blythe retreat news, a number of announcements. First of all, we're going to talk about the current taster, a future taster, and then we're going to wrap it up with a big announcement. We do have a date now, a specific date for our virtual Blythe retreat 2025 that we hold every summer. Okay, so first of all, September 2024, we've been holding what we call a taster. And if you want to tell them briefly what that is, Terry, what is a taster, VBR taster?
A VBR taster is basically a little taste of what our virtual Blythe retreat is all about. The virtual Blythe retreat, we have workshops and games and gatherings and a whole bunch of stuff. But for the taster, it's just a little bit. Basically, it's just the workshops. And
Right.
then after everybody goes through the workshops and makes whatever, their outfits. Tammy's got a really good representation of what we've been doing with the jewelry and the hat and the outfit. Then we post our dolls and show what we've made. And some people will actually take something that they've made and maybe add a little bit to it or
Lots of tweaking.
tweaking it. Yes, but it's been a lot of fun.
Yeah. Yeah. So if you missed it, I'm going to be posting this video in September, near the end of September. And don't feel like you missed it if you missed it, because
It'll still be there.
yeah, it's
Yeah.
still there. All the workshops are on our YouTube channels. We host it sort of through our a Facebook group that we call Blythe Doll Buddies, and there's a link down below in the description if you want to join us for free on Blythe Doll Buddies. And then on the Blythe Doll Buddies Facebook group under files, we have the supplies list for all of the workshops, as well as patterns. There's two free patterns. One is to make this little t-shirt, and the other one is to make this little skirt. And those are going to be there infinitum forever, whenever.
Right. They're not
So,
going anywhere.
right. So you still have time to join us if you want to. And, do it whenever it works for you. You can still, I mean, if you decide in December to turn your dolly into a grunge doll, and then
Go
share,
for
that's
it
fine.
and share it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, for
Same
sure.
time.
No problemo, no problemo. So, and I would say the taster's been pretty successful, don't you think?
I think so.
Yeah, we had a good amount of people joining us, some of them for the first time, and that was the whole point of the taster. Is a lot of times people are hesitant to join us for the full-on retreats, and which we understand. It's a long weekend that you're committing. Some of the stuff in there, even though you don't have to be there in real time, people want to be there in real time,
Right.
right?
That's all kind of part of it. I mean,
Right.
it's you know, um, gaining new virtual friends that
Mhm.
have like interests with our dolls
Right.
and with our Blythe dolls and their buddies.
And their buddies, yes. Yes, exactly. So anyway, so there's that. And because it went fairly well, we've decided we're going to hold another taster. We're going to give you more information about it, but just let you know, we do plan to do another one. It will be, I think, what did you say, February 2025?
Yes.
Yes, so
Yeah.
February 2025, look for more information from us about the next little taster, and we'll do the same kind of thing. It's just a taste. It's not a full-on retreat. Um,
Right.
right, and it'll be crafty workshops where they're very simple workshops where you can make items for your dolls, turn your dolls into a whatever,
Whatever.
you know. We have an idea for the theme, and we almost have it nailed down, but we are going to hold off a little bit. But after the first of the year, for sure, we'll be telling you what the theme is. We'll have, again, a list of supplies. What else?
I'm actually really excited about the theme, the taster in
Yeah.
February.
Yes, it's going to be fun. It's going to be
Just saying.
fun. Yeah, it'll be a lot of fun, very different. So keep an eye out for that. We will give you more information. Like I said, around the first of the year, we'll tell you guys we'll be probably running it the whole month of February like we did this time, like the whole month of September. So there's not
Mhm.
like, oh, you have to be at this time at this place type of thing. But those are plans. So, and it is free, just like this past taster. It will be a free event for everybody. Okay. Do you want to add anything to that, Terry, without spilling too many beans?
No,
Okay.
I'm afraid if I say too much, I may spill some beans.
Yes. Yes. And we don't, just to let you know, and this kind of relates to the themes that we pick for the retreats in the summer. A lot of times, I mean, I know, for example, BlytheCon, they have their theme immediately, like boom, you know. Well, that's great for them because they obviously have their act together.
Well, they're a
But
little bit bigger than us too.
they are bigger than us,
We're a
right?
lot smaller.
Right. And they don't like the thing is BlytheCon is quite different than what we do. Ours is a
Right.
retreat. It's a maker's retreat where we also have other activities. So you don't have to make stuff in order to enjoy
Right.
the retreat, I feel like. But it's mainly focuses on the workshops where you make the items related to the theme. We have to design all of those workshops, right?
Right.
So just the two of us right now. Someday we hope to have other people help us with it, but that would, we're not ready to rely on other people to do that much work for us for no pay.
Right.
And we don't have the money to pay for those
Right.
people. So, and I mean, honestly, we have a vision and it's the two of us doing this. So, right now it's just maybe if we get bigger someday.
Well, we even have a whole list of ideas for things for future
Yes.
full-fledged Blythe retreat.
Yes.
No,
Yeah.
virtual Blythe retreats. So it's one of those things, it's like we know what we're doing, but it's like we're picking off this list and we have a lot of ideas.
Right.
So, but
Right.
anyway.
So anyway, that said, we do have a date, and that's one of our big announcements today. We finally
Yeah.
nailed a date, and it is, well, I'll let you tell them, Terry, because I'm doing
Oh, okay. I want to make
Let's-
sure.
Okay.
Why don't you tell them? Because I didn't write it down. I think
Oh, okay. Yeah.
let me make sure. Is it June 21st?
2021 and 22.
20, 21, and
Yeah, so
22.
we run
Yeah.
it 3 days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Last summer we did it 4 days. We're going to go back to 3.
Right.
Okay. We felt like the 4th day we really didn't need it because we had shopping and it was like, and we might still do shopping, but it's just going to be like whatever, it's not going to be
Yeah.
like a whole day.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're going to organize things a little bit differently, based on feedback we got from people. Okay.
Yeah.
And that's way in the future. Okay. But right now, get your calendars out. But get your calendar out and mark down June 20, 21, and 22, 2025. Join us for that weekend. Mark it down now. Okay. It's going to be super duper fun. Like I said, a little bit different, the same, but different. We're going to probably organize things a little bit different. We'll have workshops. We will have prizes. We will have, we'll have the big prize. We'll have, the big grand prize last summer. The big prize was a stock Blythe. We had
It
Fanny
was Fanny
Flamingo.
Flamingo.
Yeah, she's such a cutie pie. Yeah,
Yeah.
so we've leveled it up. We'll keep leveling it up a little bit more, a little bit
And
more.
we actually already have her.
Yes,
We've
we
ordered,
do.
we've got her, we've had her for several months.
Yeah,
So
so we have the grand prize stashed away. We are working on goodie bag ideas. We're ordering stuff for goodie bags. Yeah, and again, I know people want to donate and everything, but we respectfully are asking, we prefer people to donate prizes. If you want to
yes,
donate something, prizes is what we could use
right.
and that's a lot because we're asking
It is.
people not only to donate the prize but to mail them off, so if you're dying to help us out, that's a way you could help us out and we would really appreciate it. And it made a big difference. Last year we had a lot of prizes.
We did.
So really cool stuff people made, I mean, we have a lot of talent out there, so that was really nice. So yeah, is there anything else you want to add, Terry? We wanted to make this kind of short and sweet.
No, I was just anxious to get the dates out so you
Yeah.
can mark it on your
Yes, we
calendar.
wanted to get the dates out because we know there's already, this summer 2025 is already filling up with events. In fact, the year 2025 is already filling up with events. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we wanted to make sure ours is out there, June 20, 21, 22 for VBR 2025. Look for another taster in February 2025, and feel free to jump in on the grunge taster this month and any time of the year, really,
Yeah.
because it's already up there, by joining us over at Blythe Doll Buddies on Facebook. And all of the videos are up on her channel or my channel. So you can, even if, in fact, if you just get on her channels and Google for like grunge something or whatever, all those stuff's going to pop up. Okay.
Grunge fashion.
Grunge fashion,
I think
Blythe
I've
Fun,
tagged my all. I've got that tag in all of
grunge
them.
workshops. Yeah. All right, guys, thanks so much for stopping by and spending some time with us. As usual, please give this a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Oop, have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye.
Bye.